If you're on a looking for something budget-friendly place to stay in, yeah. And again, I'm not advertising this place. You know, I'm not paid to do this. I'm just simply sharing because there's something good in the place. A content creator, being a vlogger, what is it that I get to be sharing with that has values, that has moral and spiritual values? You know, that's very, very, very important. And yes, the van is back. So, second batch. Kami na lang natira. Hi naman kayo sa vlog.
Hello, sa vlog.
Bang naman to.
Ma'am Penny, sorry. Ma'am Penny, rather. Ma'am Penny, congratulations and good luck.
Ay, congratulations sa akin. Or kayo din. Ayan o.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Haggard lang.
Sis. Haggard ulit. Okay, let's go guys. Salamat po sa
habang doon maglalaro sa susunod na yan.
Ang pangalang aking tatawagin, siya ang first international talentadong Pinoy champion. At yan ay walang iba kundi congratulations, Penny Salcedo!
Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said.
From Hong Kong, Miss Penny Salcedo.
Ang pangalang babanggitin ko ay ang makakasama sa top 4. Pasok ka na! Penny Salcedo ng Southeast Asia. Congratulations, Penny!
welcome to my channel, Butterflies!
Follow and subscribe. Follow and subscribe. She's Penny Salcedo. Penny Salcedo. Penny Salcedo. It's Penny Salcedo. Whoa. She's got the right vibe. You're gonna go live. She's worldwide. She's a delight. Young and old, around the globe. Positive, energetic, high energy, high energy. She's a creator, a vlogger, an entertainer, an artist. She's everything, an embrace. She's everything. The voice, she's everything. Host of the show on my radio. She's everything. She's everything.